Hey, what's up, guys? So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you watch it from. Thank you so much for tuning in for this Forex Market weekly analysis. My name is Alex Moredi, and I'll be taking you through whatever we I will be looking at for the week. Just to start with, I just want to take you through the economic calendar to preview the news and the fundamentals that will be happening throughout the week. This week being the first, we'll be having the first Friday of the month. Then it means that we also be having NFP on Friday. So across all currencies, we have news from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday until Friday. So you ought to take note of the heavy fundamentals that are happening. As you can see, we have some news touching the euro that is on Monday today. Then we also have retail sales touching on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have some Audi news as well as the euro, GBP, and CAD and USD pairs. And then on Thursday, we'll also have euro retail sales as well as initial jobless claims. And on Friday, that means we'll have NFP and all the other news related to unemployment rates in the US. So now let's jump quick into the weekly analysis. But even before we go to the weekly analysis, just want to show you what we've been working on for the month. So it has been an awesome month for me, myself, and my team. Absolutely. So April, there's this challenge that I've been doing, and we've been negative 2%. That is on April, but for May, we managed to go up 8%. So this is not a screenshot. This is a link that is active. So I'm hoping that June is gonna be also very nice for us. So we have very pretty good predictions as we start off the month. So yeah, so let's look at the charts now. So this is what we have on the dollar index. As you can see, my charts might be a little bit dirty, but I usually do the markups here on TradingView, and is really ideal to show you where the market is headed to or your long-term projection. So as you can see, those guys who have been watching the weekly market analysis, this is what we've been looking at the dollar index. So we last week when we had this pullback coming back to this area of resistance or support and resistance. We have had this move down that is a pretty part of last week, and what I expect from the dollar index is that we'll continue pushing down, depending on also this week's NFP. But on a short-term basis for the week, I expect the dollar index to touch at least on this level. Then we may have a retest before continuing to the downside movement. So you always have to take care of, or rather know the direction that the dollar index is headed to before you even go to trade any other USD based currencies. So now let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. So gold from the 4 hour time frame, this is what we have. If you are a technical trader and you are keen, then you will notice that the current structure of gold, this is what is being formed here. So we had this move up, and then the left shoulder formation. It's kind of a head and shoulder. We have this peak here, then market came down, formed this flag. We've been trading throughout through this zone. Last week, gold played some little games. I was short actually, but I was stopped out. But now we had this retracement before the end of the week, and then we have the market now pushing down. As you can see, there is this 4 hour bearish engulfing, and I still project that the move is gonna go down until level 2286. So This is an area that has very high bullish demand, or rather liquidity. So we'll be looking to short gold until these low levels here. All right, so let's look at US 30. US 30. Let's look at US 30. So US 30, this is what we have in right now. um, the market formed this triple bottom here. That is what I was trading by the end of the week last week. So we bought the breakouts, and we had a very good run on this bullish trade. So, but right now, what we having is that the market is approaching. If you check on the 4 hour time frame, the market is approaching this area of this key area of reaction. So we might be seeing a pullback on US 30 once that area is touched. And again, on the 4 hour time frame, is that we have the 50 EMA at that around this zone. So take note that the market might pull back from this region, even if we have to continue upside. If we have to happen to continue the upside momentum, then we might get a pullback before proceeding up on the upside movement. Now let's look at the NAS 100, or what we call Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, this is what we have on the 4 hour time frame. The market actually was trading all along in this upward channel. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, the market pushed down, but equally was able to push up. And at the moment, price is retesting a key level where we might have a good reversal from this point on. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, marking this key level is that for Nasdaq we might still get a reaction from this level, but ultimately you might get a reaction on this level going before you proceed with the move up. So yeah, so take note of this level here, because on the 4 hour time frame it's a key level that the market is retesting at the moment. Now let's look at USD cards, then USD JPY. So yeah, so USD card has had good runs for the week, and actually I already have a trade. These are trade that I spotted yesterday earlier into during the weekend. I already have a trade that is running, and I've already have this buy running. So what I am projecting for the week for USD card is that at the moment we are on an important level of demand. It's an important level of demand zone. So what we have in is that we might have a bullish run for USD card. And if you check at USD card, literally there has not been a consistent trend. However, the market has been playing with these big moves up and down each and every time. So what we do in this case is that if you are able to identify the important levels of demand and supply, then you can take advantage of the moves that are happening in the markets. As you can see right now, USD card is pulled back to the hit the important level of demand last week, and we expect that move to push high. If it's able to push to these extreme highs, the better. But my short term, or rather before the end of the week, we should hit this level, which is 36.65. Now let's look at USD JPY. USD JPY, there's nothing which is forthcoming. USD JPY has been slow for the last couple of weeks, so it's not something that I'm looking forward to trade. However, we might have this bullish trend. USD JPY has been so slow, and seems I'll stay away from it. Euro USD, the same case. Euro USD looks bad in terms of the technicals. Until we are able to go out of this zone, then I don't think there is any trade, any worth trade to look at Euro USD at the moment. So until this consolidation, or rather this top consolidation and confusion ends, then I'll not be willing to take any trade, either short or long on Euro USD. If you're a risky trader and want to take some trade on Euro USD, probably you can take a short from this level, because as you can see the market has tested this region a couple of times. One, two, there's been two tests. There's this is the third test, and this is the fourth test. Yeah, actually we can have a good trade on Euro USD, a short trade on Euro USD that is going short. So you can take advantage of this move down to take Euro USD for the short rallies. So that is it for the week, guys. I don't intend to make this video long, so I'll be making more updates on the Telegram channel. For those who are there, please make sure to join our trading community so that you can get real-time updates throughout the week. Taking note that this week we have NFP, the market usually tends to, and we also have the close of the month candle, then means that we have a new candlestick that's forming. There usually comes a lot of confusion. So take note so that you don't find yourself on the wrong side of the market. Cheers for the new trading month, and I wish you all the best. See you on the next one.